Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're playing DrainSim, the demo, because I want to see how well the game does first on the channel. So let's jump right in. Right into the tutorial, apparently. What games do you guys like to see next episode? I mean, well, on the channel, I mean. We can play Hoi 4. This game takes a while to load. Uh, yeah, let me know what games or animations you guys want to see in the future. Let's just jump right in. Once it's done loading, that is. Okay.
Continues to be cut off from the outside world due to a catastrophic landslide that has blocked all access roads. This extended isolation has prevented emergency vehicles reaching our town
that's a lot of...
to provide assistance to our fellow residents.
We aren't fixing that with a plunger. But if you guys want me to check out the full game, let me know in the comments down below. Okay, I need... Okay, see, I need to... in the basement as well. Okay, that needs to be... should be one right here. Okay, yeah, I know. I mean, it's raining, shouldn't we, like... There should be another one somewhere. Got that one. There we go. I did. Okay. Going to my backyard. Going to the backyard. Okay. Up. Let's go digging. Because why not? Just make it a neighbor's problem. Okay. Not doing anything. Are we supposed to drain the basement like this? Oh no, we get a pump. In the basement. Oh fuck. I messed up. I messed up. Didn't me. Oh. Huh? Okay. Okay, sweet. I mean, it's basically drained over here. What is happening? And this area is done. The only area is the basement. There we go. Okay. Garage. Let's go there. Let's see.
In flood-related oddities, a major suburban street has somehow been completely drained. No city crew, no paperwork, just gone.
I'll go to the shop
Locals
first.
report seeing some guy wandering around with a plunger on his belt. Mysterious.
As I meant to buy this
One
first.
garden in the area was discreetly drained into the neighbor's yard through a gap in a fence that, according to several chatty residents, was supposed to be fixed months ago. Coincidence? Spite? An elaborate passive-aggressive art piece?
I don't need those. Start mission. Let's go. This should be a fast mission, right? Surely it is. Once it loaded. It is. Okay, it's loading the water. Okay. Let's grab our pump. And our shovel. And our rake. Yeah, and our power cable, obviously. And this. Okay, let's check it out. What is going on here? Okay, so definitely not gonna use a pump for that. I mean, it's a little bit of a waste. Can just... could actually just do this. Oh. I don't have to drain that area, do I? Okay, but we shouldn't be, there we go. Should be doing it like that, but, let's go check it over here. Because this is a big area. And there should be drains over here. On either side, I assume? Yeah. Okay. Any more? Yeah. Okay, got that one. Perfect, perfect. There we go. Some's already draining. This one. So, yeah. This is gonna be a little bit on an odder video. Not an otter as in the animal, but like weirder. Since I normally play FNAF games on the channel. But it's fine. I'm not a horror channel, you know? Like, I will play horror games, but I'm not a horror channel. Except for my animations, and they're pretty horror. But they're not done either, so... I was gonna put one down, but like... No, that's the wrong button. Stop. 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 Okay. So we need to do a cafe. Yeah, okay, we need to do that area. That's fine. It's fine. And just bring it as far as it can go. We'll put the generator up here. Cable, cable. Them all marked too. Gonna flood this area again, but it's fine. Need to go drain this area now. There's gonna be me sitting here doing this, so I'll be back when I'm done. And this game is very fun, guys. If you want to see the full release of the game on my channel, then just let me know. Okay, now that this area is done, let's go check out this. There we go. So the center is almost done. These areas are gonna be a different story. Back into a drain somewhere over here. I dropped my rake. There's a drain right here. Okay, that's not gonna work. Alright, let's time to clean this out. Am I actually cleaning this out? I think I am. Okay, we need to go dump that out in a place where it'll just go towards that. We have another one of these areas, so yeah. I'm not going into the okay, keep pressing the wrong button. The right isn't finished either. I can just can just do it like this. Them right above this. Gonna take a while. Well, that didn't help. I think that made it worse. Is this game entertaining to watch to you guys? I don't know. Let me know in the comments, okay? I know I find it very entertaining. Go finish off the right one. A lot of water from the cafe in here. Let's finish. No train. How's the cafe doing? I don't know. Okay, cafe is just a little bit of water. There we go. And just dump that water straight here. And that's good, because now I can take this and this, get out of here. I'll have you working on this one. Just put directly in there. No. Put directly in there. That's working. Just have to do these two. And then we did it. Yeah. This is definitely not as same as our FNAF. Oh. That's cool. You're running this fast. This is a demo though, guys, so if you want to see the full game, like I said, make sure to comment and like and watch the video, obviously. No. Oh. Let me help you clean that up real quick. Perfect. Come on. Now we just have to get it off. There we go. And this will drain on its own. I mean, this looks cool though. What does it say? Miletown Market. Oh, this is a market. I mean, it has stores, so I guess, but it kind of is. I'm trying to help you as much as I can. Will do. Me left over thingy here over here, so let's go get that and come back. Filling back up with water. Just trying to guide it more towards it and like. And just a little bit of water. Yes, we did it. Okay. Garage. Let's see what we got.
Downtown cleanup crews are scratching their heads today after waking up to find the entire Midtown Market area, previously one big urban swimming pool, completely drained. Still no official explanation, but guess who was spotted again? Yep, that same mystery figure. Plunger on the belt, attitude unknown. Oh, and the beloved corner cafe? Also dry. Locals are thrilled, though the owner reportedly wants to thank whoever did it with at least 3 free croissants and a hug. So who is this guy? A rogue plumber? A wet-footed vigilante? Or someone who really missed espresso?
Well, guys, that's gonna be it for today's episode. Thanks for watching, and see you next episode. If you want to see the full game, let me know in the comments. I'm gonna get. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.